Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to elevate your Instagram pictures from this to this. Okay, so your first step is you need to make sure that you have some type of photo inspiration. My inspiration was that I know I wanted to do a photo with a spilt slushie in the background, and I wanted to be with my friends. I went out and I took some pictures with my beautiful friends, and then I realized I needed to get a Slurpee. However, at that time, the 7-Eleven was closed, so I had to go on a whole nother mission the next day to get a Slurpee. Okay, bag secured. There was a lot more people in the gas station than I thought there was gonna be, so I didn't vlog in there. But I did get my Slurpee. We're about to go do this photo shoot. Once I had my photo shoot with my friends, my photo shoot with my Slurpee, now it's time to put everything together. First up, you're gonna download this app called Superimpose. I downloaded it a couple years ago. I've been using it for a long time now, and when I downloaded it, it was free. Now when I recommend it to people, they tell me like, oh, it's $2, it's $3. So I'm not really quite sure how much it costs right now. I know it costs money, but all I'm saying is it's a pretty good investment. If you could pay $15, $20 for a Chipotle bowl that you're gonna finish in 10 minutes, you could pay $3 for an app you're gonna keep forever. Think about that. And I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I wish I was. But I just really like this app, and everyone asks me all the time how I do this, so let me just show you how I do it. We don't gatekeep around here. First, you're going to open up the app and you're going to import your background. This is going to be your main image. Next, you're going to import your foreground. For me, this is going to be the Slurpee that's spilt. Just go into mask and start removing the background of your image. Once you have like a rough estimate of how much of the photo you need, you're going to click on transform and you're going to put it back onto your image. You're going to adjust it, move it around, position it to where you want it to be, and turn down the opacity. Then you're going to start erasing everything that's overlapping. This is because once you erase everything, when you turn the opacity back up, it's going to look like your image is behind your subjects. So you just want to clean up the edges, make sure it looks good, turn the opacity back up, go into filter, adjust your brightness, adjust your contrast, all those things, and make it look like the image is in the same lighting as the original photo. You want to make sure you do this because if you take a picture of something that looks like it was taken in sunlight and then add it to a picture that looks like it was taken in the dark, they're gonna look like they were in obviously two different places, and it's not gonna look real at all. This next step is completely optional, but in my background, I thought that there was just too much stuff going on, and I wanted the focus to be on my friends and I and the Slurpee. So I went ahead and I took some screenshots of the trees that were in the background, and I just kind of blended it to cover up some of the stuff and some of the chaos that was going on back there. It's really simple. Just do like a similar process to what you did with the Slurpee. Like remove the edges, kind of move things around, change the lighting, make sure they look similar. And once I got this image, then I decided I really wanted to change the color of the cup. There was just too many blue things in the photo and I wanted the cup to be a different color. So for this step, you're going to want to go to the app PixArt. Now PixArt costs money, I know, but it's just a subscription. Once you sign up for the subscription, it gives you 1 week free, and you can edit this all in one day and then just cancel that subscription. That's what I did. I was torn between green and pink, but I decided to go green. So you're gonna go into the app, choose colors, and there's an option called color replace. You can select whatever image you want to change the color of and kind of just move it around, change the color. And if it changes the color of anything else in the photo, just erase that and make sure just what you want to change is changed. After I adjusted the color of the cup, I was basically done. Guys, I also forgot to mention that the belt in the photo obviously wasn't real because you saw the before and after. I just took a belt offline and I erased the background and put it on myself. So that's another little hack for accessories, and if you want to modify your outfit, that was free. Now you're left with this cool image. And I do a lot of different edits. Here are some examples of some of the other things I've done. If you guys have any other editing inquiries or questions or anything like that, Just drop a comment down below. Let me know what other videos you want to see. Whatever you guys want, just let me know in the comments. Make sure you like this video if you want to see more content like this. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Call me when you need some.